This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, as you can clearly see, my parental controls are indeed active. So in order to turn them off, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Google category. In here, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Next, open the Data and Privacy page. Scroll it all the way down. Then tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. In order to continue, we will need to type in the password. So let me do exactly that off the screen. Then at the Delete Your Google Account page, check those two boxes, tap at the blue button to your bottom right. And at this point, the parental controls should have been already deactivated. It might take some time for the system to acknowledge those changes to synchronize itself properly. So let's see whether it already happened or not. So Google. Yep, as you can see, there is no Google account linked. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So the parental controls were successfully turned off. The last thing that I need to do is to recover the Google account, which can be easily achieved by using it to sign into Google Play Store or effectively any other Google app as well. Enter the email address, then follow it by inputting the password, or actually prior to doing so, you should get the following message. So enter the password, as I was saying. Then 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong error. That's completely fine. Just redo the sign-in process. So let me quickly do that off the screen to expedite the procedure. So enter or type in the email address, then input the password. And usually the second time around, it will let you go through and proceed with the sign-in, which is absolutely true in my case. So just finish the Google login, and you will see that the account was successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.